Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me to go to the doctor. Really impromptu. I don't know what's going on. A lot of things went wrong in today's video, girl. So basically this is the look I created. I wanted to go with something simple and with a little pop of pink here and there. So if you want to see how I got this look, what went wrong, the products that I love, the products that I hated, just keep on watching. So first off, I did bring along two different serums here. We have the Amora Sheer Radiance Coverage Thinning Serum, which is from Five Below. And we also have this, also from Five Below, the Watermelon Sunrise Serum from Amora Glow as well. So this one I did bedazzle the lid. Isn't it so cute? So I think I'm going to take both. I'm going to take this one first from Amora Glow. And I'm also going to take a little bit of this Sheer Radiance. I love this packaging and just the color is beautiful. It's like this beautiful pinky vibe. I'm going to take that on the face as well. And I'm also going to moisturize a little bit using the Orchid Moisturizing Gel Cream from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and take this over top just to lock everything in. I love how I woke up and my eyes red. Like, why? I don't know. Don't ask me. Let's jump right into a lip product. I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Lip Oil Injector. I did use this recently and I actually really liked the effect. This was like pretty intense, but I liked the results. So I'm going to do a light layer on the upper and lower lip. Just like that. And we'll see what happens, girl. For the under eyes, we're gonna go ahead and take these. Nothing different. My Spa Life under eye patches in this bow one. Throw these right on. Keep almost poking my eye with these nails, girl. They're so pretty though. From Temu, I believe I bought them. Yeah. The nails did kind of like grasp them a little too hard. They ripped a little bit, but cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take my fave SHEGLAM brow pencil in the Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in chocolate. And we're just gonna go ahead and throw on some brows. I don't know if I mentioned we are getting ready for my doctor's appointment. So I wanna look put together. So I'm gonna take the little brush end and start mixing what it's early in the morning, girl. Start filling these brows in. All right, so now that we have the brows on, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and my lip plumper. For the lips, just a little bit of time with the plumper. I think it actually did a little bit of something. First off, we have this one here, the SHEGLAM Buttercream Bliss Canvas Primer, which I've been living for these days. It just looks like a little cake, I don't know, like cake decorating thingy. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm like going through this quite a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in. It's like really nice and blurring on the face. Honestly, I think I may have overdone it for no reason, but I'm just gonna blend it in as I go. You see, it just like blurs the skin beautifully. I love it. And also it's like pink and girly as well. I love it. I'm also going to take the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. And this one is like pretty nice as well. So I'm going to take this one in the T-zone area. It's currently 6:30 a.m. Yeah. And my appointment's at 10:30, but I do want to get some videos filmed. So that's why we're up so early, girl. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my fave e.l.f. Camo CC cream in the shade Medium 330W. You guys know the drill. Always use this. I love it. I'm just gonna blend this in real quick. Taking my Paris Hilton cream bronzer. We're just gonna go ahead and throw some of this on. I feel so out of it, girl. I feel like it didn't sleep at all. Probably like an hour or two or three, I don't know. So I'm like, girl, don't know what things are called. I'm like, let's rein it back in. It's early in the morning. I'll get to sleep in tomorrow. So just blending this in, girl. It's really pretty. I feel like I went way too high on this cheek. What? Next for blush, we do have two. The first, girl, this hair. I was supposed to curl it, but it is what it is. We have the Beauty Creations liquid blush in the shade Pink Thing. And we also have this Amora Glow Niacinamide Watermelon Pop Liquid Blush, which I also did bedazzle. So this one here, really cute, but the shade is like so off. Like it looks nothing like the packaging. I wish it looked light pink like this. So we're gonna take a little bit of that up here. Mostly our blush is gonna be this Beauty Creations. Oh, so pretty. I know this is pigmented. I don't know why I packed it on like that. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, why is my foundation feeling heavy today? I don't know. I think I've been using my Beauty Creations foundation and that one's really good. I haven't used my e.l.f. in a while, and you know why it feels heavy? I may have like over applied it or something. We're gonna take my Paris Hilton liquid highlight. How cute. Again, I did bedazzle these. And I think this here, actually I'm gonna mix two highlights. This one's really pretty. Feels like a really beautiful iridescence to it. We're also gonna mix the Hood Emoji Halo Glow liquid highlight. And this is from Temu. So I'm just gonna add it in there. Could be glowy. Isn't that stunning? It's looking nice and glassy. Love. I am a little scared for concealer and powder because again my skin is feeling a little heavy. We do have two powders today. For my under eyes, I'm going to take my Beauty Creations Oh Honey powder. It's a little light vibes. And then we're going to take my SHEGLAM Velvet Veil Oil Control Powder all over the face in the shade Warm Sand. Concealer, you guys know if you know. e.l.f. Camo concealer. I'm almost out of this, girl. I'm just taking my sponge, going right in and blending out the eye, under eyes. So good. I'm like going very much comfy vibes. I have my like Bratz tracksuit pants, my Bratz t-shirt from Five Below, and just some tennis shoes, going super comfortable vibes to the doctor, as it should be. But I do want to serve glam with the face since I'm not going all out with my outfit. But girl, these early mornings, I'm gonna go right into my poof. Oh girl, this is so pigmented. Oh my god. Okay, and lightly setting that under eye. Lightly, I guess. Lightly tapping back into that powder. Girl, let's rein it back in. What is this powder doing to my face? I'm a little scared of her. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. We're gonna calm down. Let's try to, it's okay. From afar, it looks good. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take, again, this one here all over the rest of the face. It's not helping that it's like a little hot in here as well. So we're just gonna hope that everything comes out okay. Again, I'm just going to the doctor, so I'm not like too upset, but never again, girl. I don't know about that one. And there's so many great Beauty Creations products that I love, but something it's just not mixing well. I think the foundation and the powder are just not friends. Oh my gosh, that powder is not, it's not great, girl. It looks terrible on the under eyes. I'm gonna go in with my SHEGLAM. Hopefully, oh yeah, already it's looking a little better. But I'm looking like 10 years older now. It looks so creepy. Yeah, never again, girl. I might have to declutter her. She just sabotaged me. We're gonna move right along. That was scary. Okay. I'm gonna take my Juicy Couture bronzer. It's been a while since I used her. And you guys know, if you know, a fave. Swear everything's going wrong. But we're gonna keep on pushing. This bronzer never lets me down, so yes, it's looking good. Next, we're gonna take a highlight. I'm gonna take the I Heart Revolution Beloved highlight. This is beautiful pearlescent tone. Taking it on the cheeks. That's really nice. I hope like once I set my face, everything just kind of melts together. Here's hoping. For blush, we're gonna take the Tangerine blush that I bought at, I think it was like Ross. This is so pretty. Definitely wanted to go pink since my brat shirt has pink in it. So I wanted to go pink with the blush and the lips today. So just tying in this beautiful tone. It's so stunning. This actually did come in a duo. If you guys saw my haul video a while back, it has like this beautiful pink and then it has like a deeper pink. That's really beautiful, and I love that's like a matte blush. You know what, I do want to see how the lips are gonna look, so I'm gonna take my Ebony York Auto Lip Liner in the shade Brown. That powder really did sabotage me. But if you guys remember, I spoke about this SHEGLAM powder before, and I mentioned how it's really good for touch-ups, and this is exactly what I mean. Like throughout the day when my makeup would look, you know, lived in or whatever at work. This is a powder that kind of goes on, doesn't really disrupt anything, but it just adds a little bit of color to your face, and now it's like looking a little better. Yeah, it's a really good what is it, not perfecting, a good like touch-up powder. Let's just go again in with the lips. There is the liner. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lipstick from Glamlight and Barbie in the shade Malibu Lipstick. So cute. And this is their like pale pink shade. Right in the center. For gloss, I'm gonna take the same collection, Barbie and Glamlight little gloss in the shade Malibu Lip Gloss. I think both of these actually came in the same set. Taking that right on. I am going back in with my SHEGLAM, and I'm just gonna intensify these eyebrows a little bit since they did kind of disappear. To set the brows today, I brought along the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Brow in Clear. So I'm just gonna take that on the brows and just set them down, girl. I love this like packaging too. For liner, we're gonna keep it super simple, girl. We're just taking the e.l.f. H2O waterproof eyeliner. I was gonna go over top with my AOA Studio Vivid Liquid Liner in pink, but you know what, it's gonna be too much. We already have pink on the lips and on the cheeks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create a wing real quick. And this is a really good liner if you haven't tried it, from e.l.f. So I also don't want the wing to be too intense today, so I'm gonna keep it, I hope, this size. Let's try it. Well, the intention was for the wing to be natural. Yeah, the intent was there. Okay, I don't know what happened. I do want to go in with 2 different setting sprays before we do mascara. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Hyaluronic Acid Watermelon Extract setting spray, and hopefully this will mesh everything together and everything will look good. And to lock in that setting spray and everything else, we're going to take the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. There's the face so far. Okay, and lastly, last touch, we're going to take the Beauty Creations Iconic Mega Volume Mascara on the upper and lower lashes. Just look at the wand. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am feeling really hot in here right now for some reason, but I just went ahead and popped on the lashes. The lips are looking pretty good. The base, I'm feeling a little I don't know, I think it's okay. The blush looks amazing. Brows actually came out really great as well. There's the look. Again, this was super impromptu. I was gonna originally do a girly vlog, but I think I'm just gonna leave this as a get ready with me video, and then we'll do a girly vlog when I have more things to show you guys. So there is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like Dollar Tree, you like affordable makeup, affordable beauty, you're gonna want to stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and if you can hype this video if you like it, of course. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.